Use 7 grams 0.5 ounces of ground coffee, tamping the coffee firmly, then inserting the portafilter into the brewing head. Place a 60 milliliters cup underneath and press the espresso button once to start brewing. Use 14 grams 0.5 ounces of ground coffee. Quickly press the espresso button twice in a row to brew a double shot. Fill the milk tank with an appropriate amount of whole milk and reattach it securely. Use 7 grams 0.5 ounces of ground coffee, tamping and install the portafilter. Pull out the steam wand. Turn the milk dial to the right for finer foam. The 3 settings on the milk frother control both the texture fineness and the amount of foam produced. Use a 300 milliliters cup. Press the cappuccino button once. The machine will first dispense milk foam, then brew the coffee. Use 14 grams 0.5 ounces of ground coffee and a 400 milliliters cup. Quickly press the cappuccino button twice in a row to start the double cappuccino cycle. Milk foam will be dispensed first, followed by the espresso. Use 7 grams 0.5 ounces of ground coffee, tamping and install the portafilter. Pull out the steam wand, use a 450 milliliters cup, and adjust the milk dial to control foam texture. Press the latte button once. The machine will first dispense milk, then brew the coffee. Use 14 grams 0.5 ounces of coffee and a 550 milliliters cup. Pull out the steam wand and adjust the milk dial as needed. Quickly press the latte button twice in a row to start. It will first dispense milk foam, then brew the coffee.